Let's explore several databases on the Los Angeles Harbor College website. First, log into www.lahc.edu. Click on the Library link and then on the Library Databases link. Under the Interdisciplinary Databases section, we will explore Gale Virtual Reference Library, Gale Student Resources and Context, and Periodicals Premier. Under the Subject-Specific Databases section, scroll down to Political Current Events, where we will explore CQ Researcher and Opposing Viewpoints. Let's start with Gale Virtual Reference Library, a good place to begin research to find sources. Use search terms that are focused and narrow your topic. Type Freedom Riders and notice other suggestions are given, but let's search Freedom Riders. We found 43 results, and on the left we see how these are categorized. Let's click on the second result. We see a brief definition of the topic, followed by other sections which in this case explain the importance of the Freedom Riders. This is a great database to find sources when you start a new research paper. Look at the top of the article. Here you find database tools that are very helpful. You can print the article, email yourself the article, download the article, and most importantly, cite the article using citation tools. MLA is the default setting where you can copy and paste the citation to your Word document. Please note that the automatic citations generated by a database, including the ones reviewed in this tutorial, should be checked against a reliable citation guide such as Purdue OWL found under the Writing and Research tab. Automatic citations are generated by a computer, not by a qualified professional. As they are not guaranteed to be always accurate, it's best to compare before submitting your papers. Let's try a different database. Let's view Gale Student Resources and Context. Search Main Topics and click View All to expand categories. Search terms using the search field, or browse topics in the alphabetical list that's provided. Let's search Dr. Martin Luther King, who is listed under King Martin Luther Jr. Read the main article and click View More to expand contents. We see a summary of his life and sections that detail important events and his role with the Freedom Riders and the Civil Rights Movement. This database will provide great sources for your research papers. Look at the top of the article. Here you find database tools that are very helpful. You can download the article, email yourself the article, print the article, and use the citation tools to cite your sources. MLA is the default setting where you can copy and paste your citation to your Word document. Let's return to the main page of our topic. We find the On This Page section showing the contents of the search. We find academic journals and View All to expand the section, primary sources, which includes Dr. King's famous speech in Washington, and a reference section to locate more background information. Let's return to the main database page and explore Periodicals Premier. This provides in-depth academic research to strengthen your research papers. In the search field, type Greenpeace and let's search. We see over 4,000 results, but we can reduce this number by using limit tools on the left. Select full text to display complete articles, and notice the total is reduced in half. Select scholarly journals to view more academic results, and the total is again reduced. Let's uncheck scholarly journals to demonstrate another feature. We have over 2,000 results again. Look at the publication date tool and the range of dates. Use the scroll bar to modify dates to gather recent publications, and the results are reduced again. Let's select the first article. Here we find important information such as the author, subject terms, and the abstract, which is a brief summary description of the article. The abstract is helpful as it enables you to quickly verify if the article meets your research needs. On the left, click on the PDF full text link to view the entire article. Use the arrow buttons on your computer screen to advance the pages. Now let's click on the detailed record page where you'll find important database tools that will be helpful to you. You can print the article, email yourself the article, save the article to your digital device, and cite the article using built-in citation tools. Here you'll find the APA style and the Chicago style. Use the scroll bar on the right to scroll and locate the MLA format. Then, copy and paste to your Word document. Return to the search page. Success in searching requires you to use terms to narrow your searches. Before we found over 4,000 items when we searched Greenpeace. This time we'll narrow our search and type Greenpeace and whaling. Using specific terms refines results, so let's search again. Notice the results improve dramatically. If you use the full text option on the left, the results are greatly reduced. To further refine results, select Scholarly Journal, and the results will continue to improve. Let's view the second title. Here we see the abstract summary, and if you wanted to read the article, you would click PDF Full Text to open and access it. Returning to the main database page, we have until now viewed the Interdisciplinary Databases section and examined Periodicals Premier, Gale Virtual Reference Library, and Gale Student Resources in Context. Scroll further down the page to the Subject-Specific Databases section and locate Political Current Events. Here we'll examine CQ Researcher and Opposing Viewpoints. Both are excellent for finding pro and con argument sources. In CQ Researcher, you can browse topics, enter topics in the search field, or select from the issues and hot topics. Let's select gun control. We see the selected topic, the article title, and the date of publication. On the left, we see the content sections of the article. If we click on the overview link, we jump directly to that section of the article. If we click the pro-con link, instead of scrolling to find that section of the page, we jump directly to that section. Here, we see one pro argument in favor of gun control and one con argument against gun control. Return to the top of the page and we find the Cite Now tool. The default setting is APA, so click MLA to change the style and copy and paste the citation to your Word document. Now let's explore opposing viewpoints. You have several ways to locate and search articles. You could search the main topics area, or browse issues, or type terms in the search field. Let's try browse issues. From the alphabetical list that's provided, let's click and search junk food. We see the main article where you need to click View More to expand the full article. We see a topic definition followed by various sections that describe the issue. These sections will help you understand your research topics for your papers. At the top of the page we find the Tools section. You can download the article, email yourself the article, print the article, and use the citation tools to cite your sources. MLA is the default setting where you can copy and paste your citation to your Word document. Let's return to the main page of our topic to find the On This Page section with the contents of your search. Viewpoints has pro and con articles, academic journals has scholarly research, and use statistics to qualify your papers. In summary, you've learned new skills to improve searching techniques that will help you locate sources for your research needs. Under Library Databases, we viewed Interdisciplinary Databases and explored Gale Virtual Reference Library, Gale Student Resources in Context, and Periodicals Premier. Under Subject-Specific Databases, we viewed Political Current Events and explored CQ Researcher and Opposing Viewpoints. Be sure to visit and use the wonderful resources available to you at the Library and Learning Resource Center.